Egg keema. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be the first to see my latest video. Heat oil in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon butter. You can add more butter if you like. Allow it to melt. Add 2 finely chopped onions and saute till they become soft. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. Now add 2 grated tomatoes half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 tablespoon garam masala. Mix well. Now grate 4 boiled eggs into the pan. Mix well. Add 1 cup water. Cook till the water dries. Now add salt, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder or amchur powder and half cup finely chopped coriander. Mix well. Egg keema is ready to be served. Garnish with coriander and serve with pav or roti. Subscribe to my channel Jim Jain Kitchen, click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.